Folding clothes. It is not just a chore, it brings joy. When clothes are folded neatly, they spark joy. Open your drawers. Do you see peace, or do you see chaos? Order brings calm. Chaos brings stress. Let us tidy. Let us fold. Let us find joy. We will learn to fold like a pro. It is a skill. It is an art. It is a path to peace. Neat clothes save time. No more searching. No more mess. Neat clothes save space. Drawers hold more. Closets stay organized. Neat clothes last longer. No wrinkles, no creases. Neat clothes bring joy. Open your drawer. Smile at the order. Feel the calm. Start with a t-shirt. Lay it flat. Fold one side to the middle. Fold the other side the same. Fold in half. Fold again. Now pants. Lay them flat. Fold in half lengthwise. Smooth the fabric. Fold in half again. Fold once more. Finally socks. Lay them flat. Fold one on top of the other. Fold in half. Fold again. Each fold is important. It brings the clothes closer to joy. Imagine your drawers, empty and full of potential. Fold clothes small. They stand up like little soldiers. Arrange clothes by color or by type. Find a system that sparks joy. Close the drawer. Breathe deeply. Feel the joy of order. You are a master of your wardrobe.